Welcome to Connected Quizzing, Casebook Connect's easy-to-use formative assessment tool. To get started, first redeem your access code or purchase access directly. The Connected Quizzing icon will display on your bookshelf and contains all classes you previously enrolled in. To enroll in a new class, you'll want to click this icon to enter your professor's class code, which we'll do in a moment. For the classes you're enrolled in, every time a new quiz is assigned, you'll receive an email notification with details about the assignment, and a prominent red badge will display on your bookshelf, letting you know you have something to do. Click on the Connected Quizzing icon to visit the Assignments page, which is where you can view and take quizzes as well as enroll in new classes. If you don't see the area to enter the class code in the top right of this page, it means you'll have to purchase Connected Quizzing Access before you can enroll in a class. Your classes and all assignments are organized for you, with a due date written beneath each quiz. Click on an assignment to receive even more details, like the time the assignment is due and the time you have left to submit. Connected Quizzing is flexible and lets you exit a quiz and return to it whenever you're ready, as long as it's before the assignment due date and time. When you submit your assignment, you'll get immediate feedback, including your score and time spent on the assignment. But the real magic lies in the detailed results. On the Assignments page, click on your completed assignment, then Detailed. You'll see plenty of useful information, including how you scored compared to the class average. You'll also see your performance on each topic covered in the assignment, so you'll know exactly which areas you need to focus on more. Click the triangle on a topic bar to reveal the class average on that topic. Just one more way to see how you measure up to your classmates. Click on a question, or expand all questions, to view the question text, correct answer, rationale, and recommended reading, all of which will help you understand the legal concepts and study for your midterm or final. Taking quizzes is one of the best ways to solidify learning, and Connected Quizzing has plenty of features that will positively impact your experience and help you throughout the semester. Keep this in mind whenever you have a quiz assigned. Connected Quizzing is your ticket to learning better and succeeding in law school. Best of luck.